Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Ring solar panel. Do you get these? Then you need this. And you need to buy one of these. And once you have, everything will be sorted. We are presented with some lovely packaging once again by Ring. They do a very good job with their packaging and presentation of their products. They do provide the consumer a very nice experience with their packaging. Once removing the contents of the box, as you can see, you are presented with their Always Home slogan. Opening that box, you are presented straight away with the solar panel itself and the 13-foot or 3.96 meter cable, which also has a weatherproof barrel connector and some information on the screen to tell you what the solar power rating is. You're also presented with some documentation, and the rest of the box is empty. We then focus on the smaller blue box, which has the mounting bracket. This bracket is adjustable up and down. The one thing I would like Ring to do is make this adjustable to the left and right as well. So it depends how you mount it. There's only one way of adjusting it, either up or down, and if you mount it sideways, it's left or right. Ring also supply their multi-use screwdriver as well as a drill bit, which is the exact size for the plugs that fit into the wall or mounting surface, as well as the screws and everything that's required. The mounting base is easy to attach to the solar panel. As you can see, you just slide it onto the solar panel and then you can adjust the mounting arm to the position required. As you know, I like to compare the products to everyday items, and once again I've got a pen so you can see how big this unit is. It is roughly 19.6 centimeters tall by nearly 14 centimeters wide, and it's quite thin at 1.27 centimeters thick. So it's quite a nice size, and it doesn't look ugly or make the exterior of your house look a bit strange with all these solar panels all over the place. I also wanted to weigh this product for you guys so you can see the weight, as you can get a gutter mount which you can use on a plastic gutter, so the weight will not bend the gutters at all. The panel has a nice protective sheen on it, as you can see, and it's well constructed. You will see the difference with the older panel that I've had for over a year and a half now. Installing the mounting bracket is very easy, as you can see here by the footage from Ring that I used, as the lady has got better hands than mine, as in my previous video. They also show you the wall plugs and how to drill them with the drill bit provided, and then how to fit the mounting bracket, and then sliding on the solar panel itself and then adjusting the solar panel so that it's at its optimum position so it gets the most sunlight or brightest light that it can get. So now we've installed the mounting bracket, we have placed the panel on the bracket, and this is what it looks like against the older panel that I mentioned earlier, so you can see the slight difference. Now you may be asking, how long does it take to charge the batteries that are in these devices? Well, Ring have said the following. The solar panel provides a trickle charge, meaning that it charges approximately 1 to 2% per day. Now from my experience, I can tell you that a battery that is on 4%, 5% takes roughly 1 to 2 days to fully charge with bright sunlight. Now living in the UK with lots of rain and overcast, the batteries still charge within 2 to 3 days from being virtually flat. The other thing I wanted to show you was the charging icon within the app. Now this is visible for the cameras that are the stick-up cams with the batteries, as you can see here, and when you click on the battery you can see the right battery is 100% and it says solar status connected, so the solar panel is charging this battery. Now I bought this solar panel to power the Ring Siren alarm. Make sure you check out my video on that. Now looking at this, it says the battery pack is connected, which is one of the charge batteries which is in the top left of this image, but it doesn't tell you that the battery pack is charging even though it is in full sunlight. It does in the beginning with a little lightning bolt, but then it disappears once it's fully charged, and it doesn't tell you how much charge the battery has. So I think Ring need to update the Ring Siren part of the app, which they might be doing as it's still a new product. I bought the solar panel for the outdoor siren so it can charge that battery, and I've included some of Ring's footage here again with some nicer hands to show how easy it is to plug the solar panel into the device and then mount it onto the wall. This is what the Siren looks like now with the solar panel attached to it, and it also allows me to use the dusk to dawn feature. More about that in this video that I'm linking to now, and you can see the light glowing in the evening. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you again for another review.